You are a successful leader, or you're working on becoming a successful leader. I can say that with confidence because you're watching this video and other videos like it. But if you want to be the best of the best, or the best version of you that you can be, you need to pay attention because you have a blind spot that you have no idea about. Welcome to the channel, Leadership with Mike. On this channel, I help you become a more confident leader, and I do this with no nonsense sense, if that makes any sense. So here's how things go. You start a new job. You start a new leadership position. You're fresh, you're green, you're excited, you're nervous, you're all the things. When you're new, you're paying attention to absolutely everything. You're a little bit scared, you're being overwhelmed, and you feel like you're just trying to survive. You're trying to get oxygen. You're fighting off imposter syndrome. And this is all stuff that happens when you're new. You're not special if you feel this way, because this is the way I believe you're supposed to feel, because you're excited and you're in a new position. If you weren't nervous and scared, maybe you haven't reached high enough. And then what happens is you put 3 months in, 6 months in, 12 months in, but at some point, things start to click. You start to understand the job you have. You start to understand the team you're working with, how to work with them and how to get the most out of them and how to provide the most to them. And things are starting to become, dare I say, easy. You're gaining confidence because people are asking you questions, and by golly, you have the answers. Upper management is starting to take notice how you're implementing changes, how you're building the relationships within your team, and how your team is able to produce more or become more efficient, or however you're being judged. Upper management is starting to see this, and you are getting the credit that you have earned. And then we get to the next level, which is great, but it's also where you have your blind spot. The next level is you run shit. Everybody comes to you because they know you have the answers. Upper management come to you because they know that you will get things done. And it's possible that you're there, rightfully, kinda, sitting on your high horse because you know everything. Everything is working. And that, in and of itself, is your blind spot. You've put yourself in a position where you feel like you know everything. So when somebody comes with new ideas, when somebody comes with a new approach, it's very easy for you to disregard it, to shoot it down, to say that'll never work. And that's when the next leader behind you has the opportunity to come and surpass you. Because what they've been doing is they've been continuously learning, while you have gotten comfortable in your position. And again, you've earned this comfort. Don't get me wrong. But at some point, you've got to turn it back on where you start to learn more. You stop thinking that you know everything, because if you are not growing, you are dying. And if you're dying, that next kid who's all green and fresh and new, they're open to new ideas. They're willing to try new things because they want the seat that you're in. If you want to keep the seat that you've rightfully earned, you need to keep learning. One of the ways you can do that is by joining the No Nonsense Leadership Academy, where we have monthly masterclasses, where we get together as a community on a live Zoom call to discuss management and leadership issues and situations, but specifically your situations, your problems, things that you need to work out. So do not miss the opportunity. Sign up to be on the list so when the doors open, you can be the first to enroll. Now, moving on, in this video, let's talk about the thing that nobody shares about being a leader. I'll see you there. Ciao.